Tushar Gupta. Tushar Gupta, it's about a dinner that is held, somebody close to Siddharamaiah. The dinner is held at a time when DK Shivkumar is not available. What does that tell you? And then the High Command steps in and asks another minister, "Bhai, tum party mat karo. पहले ही बहुत रायता फैल गया है." What does that tell you? And thirdly, what happens to governance? They did promise a lot of guarantees. They did promise a lot of freebies, but in the end, every day you hear about this price going up, that price going up. What's happening? And do you think DK Shivkumar is somebody who's going to be sitting silently in the wings? In an interview to me just last month, you know what he said. Tushar Gupta, how do you see this?
Good evening, Navika. Look, to answer the third question first, Karnataka's Khatakhat model, much touted by Rahul Gandhi, was never fiscally sustainable. And we knew that in the first quarter of the governance itself. Forget the first year, forget the first 1 year or anything. It was evident in the first quarter when the government started hiking the prices of the most essential services for the people of the state. Number two, look, the dynamics between Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar have always been clear. DK Shivkumar portrays himself as the chief minister in the wait. Now, 2 years will be completed this year. Once the Congress government completes those 2 years, the question will again come up. Will DK Shivkumar now take over as the chief minister? Would he want to take over as the chief minister in a state that does not have its finances in order, that does have a lot of anti-incumbency already in the first 2 years? So a lot of questions there also. But to answer your question, I don't think DK Shivkumar is going to rest. It always starts with this one dinner, one meeting gone haywire. We saw it in Punjab, we saw it in Himachal, we saw it in Rajasthan, we saw it in Madhya Pradesh in 2020. It always starts with that one meeting, but that underlying signs are always visible. And Sanjay Jha is right that the Congress is a little lazy or slow, whatever the word he wants to use for, procrastinate perhaps. The Congress is slow to read the signs.
Always slow to, well, yes, there are Delhi elections and Rahul Gandhi can't be found. Karnataka abhi to election bhi nahi hai, so obviously not on his agenda. But Saeed Abbas, Rahul Gandhi missing in action. India alliance has imploded. In Delhi, everybody is, literally abusing everybody else. And in Karnataka, there's trouble brewing. क्या करें? Is this what Congress party gives to the people of Karnataka?
Navika ji, the people of Karnataka, I'm from Karnataka, I'm a Mannina Maga. In Kannada, it means son of the soil. And I can tell you the people of Karnataka are absolutely happy, and I'll tell you why. Let's talk data, statistics, figures. Recently held by-elections, what happened? Shiggaon won by Congress party. Chanpatta won by Congress party. Sandur won by Congress party. How many did BJP get? In Kannada, there is a saying, Koli mutte, zero, matlab mutte, matlab anda. Kuch nahi mila aapko. This shows that the 5 schemes of the Congress party here in Karnataka have been working. You speak of Anna Bhagya, Gruha Lakshmi, Gruha...
We're not talking about, ladies and gentlemen, we are not talking about BJP's challenge to the Congress party. We are talking about the Congress party's challenge to the Congress party. It is a, government of the party, by the party. There is a fight that is brewing of the party, by the party, within the party. That is the problem that the Congress seems to be facing. But I'm completely out of time. Thank you very much, gentlemen, for joining me on this debate. And thank you, viewers, for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night, be safe, and I'll be back tomorrow with the News Hour at 9.